folks, I'm Danny the Dinosaur Drawer, and today I'm going to be doing another review on these new products that I received from Arteza. So yeah, two huge coloring books, so I will be showing you some examples of what I've been drawing with them. Very nice paper, 80 sheets, two of them, great set to get, it's around $15 I believe. And then also these sketch pencils, which I've already done a review on, but I'll be showing you guys how they work. Let's just open this package here. Put that over there. So yeah, 12 drawing pencils. I received one of these before from Arteza. I've been using them a lot, so I'll be showing you a bunch of the drawings I've done in this sketchbook, I believe. Yeah, let's take a look at those. So as I said earlier, we're going to be taking a look at a bunch of the drawings I've completed using this Arteza sketchbook. So here's one you guys probably all have seen, the Indominus Rex, for my 2-year anniversary. Here we got the drawing I did for LPG Ozzy. So as you guys can see, this paper works great for pen, color drawings, even black and white drawings like this Indominus Rex, which I did a tutorial on. You guys have probably already seen it. Here's one I just finished on an eye. See this is how good this paper performs. It's got great potential. Here's Tyrannosaurus Rex skeleton, which I was started but haven't yet finished. Here's another, I think this will be turned into a video. I'm drawing all the Dude Perfect guys in their video game. I might as well actually erase some of it because it's going to be a time lapse, by the way, not a tutorial. But if you guys want me to do a tutorial on something like a superhero or something that's not a dinosaur, just let me know and I will deliver. So yeah, those are some of the drawings I've done with this new sketchbook. Definitely recommend it. I'll have links in the description below where you guys can find that on the Arteza website. And yeah, let's check out these pencils. Here, let's open this new Arteza sketchbook. Go to a random page. So 12 pencils, that's a great bunch of pencils to choose from. I have another sketch set which I did a review on. You guys have probably seen it, but it's only like 6 pencils. So this is double of what I'm used to. So I'm just going to pick a medium one. This is B, so I think that's the very center of, because they go from soft to light colored or to harder. The harder ones drop a much lighter line. So this is the soft, or the hardest one, is 4H. It's very scratchy. Very scratchy. Now this one, which is 6B, is very soft, so you can add lots of layers of this and it's much darker. So yeah, what I'm going to be using today, I'll probably just do a quick sketch, is right in the middle of the I don't know what you call it, the graph of colors or of shading pencils. So yeah, let's see what we should draw today. I'm just going to draw something random. Like, let's do like an Dinosaur head, I guess. I haven't done one of those in a long while. Let's hope I can remember what they look like. I actually don't have a reference image with me right now, just randomly picked Dinosaur. I always end up making my dinosaurs look too much like T-Rex, because I just have drawn so many Tyrannosaurus Rexes. It's hard not to make them look like T-Rex. So I'm just doing a quick sketch here so you guys can get the feel what this pencil is like. The Allosaurus got this crest. So I should make the jaw a little narrower to get more of an Allosaur look. My eraser here, which actually is not from Arteza, it's from Hobby Lobby, which is a craft store. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it. It's not very famous, but that's where I got that eraser from, just in case you're wondering. So yeah, just so I can demonstrate what I would use the softer pencils for, I'll zoom in so you guys can see a little better. The softer pencils are mainly used for shading. So like you're shading under this eye crest, you sort of use this type of pencil, or if you're shading on any part really, you'd use this pencil. Darker ones. And the ones for in between, you can just experiment around. Everyone has a different way of drawing with shading pencils. And for the hard one, you might want to have scales done with that one because they're not too dark and it leaves a nice look. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys check out the Arteza website. I'll have links to that below, where you guys can get your own sketch materials. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.